for sharing his views and experiences as the convocation address. Mr. Kamal Pal.
Good afternoon. You already have degrees in your hands, so I need to see some more energy. Right. Well, thank you very much, Mr. Sood, for putting those very kind and generous words in introducing me. Just like one of you, the recipe to success is passion. Get after things and get them done. I think that's the starting message which I thought I must start with. But for me, today is a day of great joy and fulfillment. Joy because I have met my mentor, my guru, my professor, Professor D.V. Singh. The moment I entered, it was a pleasant surprise to me. Durba never told me that Professor D.V. Singh would also be here, so she kept it as a good bundle of surprise for me. Thank you very much, Dr. D.V. Singh, for being there. We've had lots of inspiration from you during my 77 to 81 days in University of Roorkee. We used to say with pride University of Roorkee because we thought it was a better brand than IIT. Well, nonetheless, on that was the lighter side. So I would like to really address lady and gentlemen on the dais, very distinguished professors, competent and passionate teachers of the dais, parents, young boys and girls, the future ambassadors of India, not only of ITS, but also of India. It's a pleasure to be here this afternoon. I'm delighted to spend the next 15 to 20 minutes to share with you some of my experiences of what is that secret sauce which will take you and make you walk the extra mile. I think that is what I'm going to spend about next 15 to 20 minutes. I know you all are in a hurry to go out and throw your hats in the air, but you will have to listen to us for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, is that okay with you guys? Yes. Okay. Well, you all know we are living in a VUCA world. Does somebody know VUCA? It's volatile, is VUCA, volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous. That's the kind of world we are all living in today. And what does this VUCA world mean? The VUCA world means that you do not know what's going to happen next. So how are you going to deal with when you do not know what's going to happen next? It means you got to be agile, you got to be nimble-footed, you got to be ready for meeting any challenges, you got to be competent. As we learned yesterday, may not be absolutely, they may not fit as a complete template tomorrow. So you got to be ready. Of course, there are some learnings which you have done are very, very important. They form the basis of they form the foundation of what you've done. But you will have to adapt to situations. So, working around this VUCA world, we've spent about last 5 to 10 years trying to understand what is this VUCA world. How are we going to take on the challenges of the future? So we found that there are 5 mega trends which are going to reshape our future. I believe there are 5 mega trends which are going to reshape our future. Of age base of urbanization. In 1950, 70 were 30 points because there are a lot of global headwinds. The global economy is not doing well. It was supposed to grow at 3.4 percentage points in 2016, but with the latest estimates, we believe it's going to be a sub 3 percentage point growth in the global industry in this year. A few of us, probably amongst your teachers and your professors, will recall in the 1980s, having a computer was a big technological advancement. In my days, in 1981, 1982, the computers, and even in a place like IIT Roorkee, they were just getting to. We used to get a chance to see the computer lab after 1 week for 15 minutes. So that is the kind of thing which was just coming in. In early 1990s, mobile phones were a big thing. Today, every week there are mobile phones and laptops being launched. Our internal processes didn't change. We still remain into a technology of screwdriver. We did not add enough value in India. Make in India is now pushing companies to localize and manufacture, add value, design products in India. And I'm very proud to say, we at Volvo, we have set up a design center where we have had 1,000 engineers. We are not only making in India, we are also designing in India. We are designing trucks of the future for the globe sitting in Bangalore. I think that's something very, very critical. I'm proud to say the Volvo bus which you see, we have developed another version which will be manufactured in Bangalore and will be sold in Europe, which will be exported to Europe. So that's the kind of leap we are trying to take forward. And I think this is something very, very because of our belief and because of our value system, we believe it's not a luxury, it's a necessity. I think this is another thing which you must know, that we may become very big people. Some of you will become CEOs and managing directors of some large companies. Do not leave your ethics, do not leave some basic ethics in life. I think that is something very, very important I wanted to share. To conclude, leaving with you 10 important messages. Just a summary of 10 messages as you guys step, boys and girls, get into new life, because you have to understand what you are, who you are, and what are you good at. Develop and define a clear vision and purpose for yourself. Have a pragmatic and determined action plan. Trust and avoid cynicism. Many people, you come up with a new idea. Embrace the challenges, don't get worried about challenges. Empower yourselves to contribute to sustainability. Become creators. Number 7 is now become creators of future. Number 8, cut the threads that hold us down unnecessarily. Challenge status quo. Challenge things which is holding back India. Number 9, think short term, think mid term, think long term. Number 10, encourage and mentor your next generation from the word go. The future assets of this country. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I see some of the brightest minds in this country sitting here. The brightest mind of the future. You are so lucky and privileged to have studied in an institution like ITS. Please make it count. Together you can take India to a different level, and we shall. And wherever you need any support, we are always there from industry. We will try and see how we can extend this industry, academia, cooperation even more. Wish you all the best, and I wish that you succeed in every step of your life. Jai Bharat. Thank you.